What's doing, and welcome back. Now, there's a little bit of a hot topic going around at the moment about how to make your Ford JJ3 sound cooler. Well, we have two. We have this one. This one's getting a 300 horsepower kit. That one, the custom fitted his own 300 horsepower kit. Liam's in here doing a heap of stuff to this one now. I'm just tuning that one and going to make some big 300 horsepower spoolie noises and big torques. But let's talk mods. I've got my own D-Max obviously, so what I'll show you now is what we can do and how to do it, and how it sounds will be after that when I do it on my own car. Liam's got his stuff over here at the moment because there's a bit of a schmoz because we've got heaps going on, but this is the factory turbo. He has a SAC 44mm going on there, but we have this one here, which is your factory one, and it has a silencer ring inside it. And people are asking how they get them out, and people are talking about cutting them and everything else, but all I do is I put a screwdriver and you sort of pop it in and twist, and you have to do it the other side as well. I've already popped this one off so you can see, but you just keep popping it up and twisting with your screwdriver, and then you can pull the silencer ring out and you have all the spoolie boy noises. If you want to put it back in, you can slide that back in, get a bit of a tap with a rubber mallet, tap it back in, and you're good back to being nice and quiet again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my car in when I've got 5 minutes, and I'll probably fast forward to that to be in the future now, but and I'll pull mine off. What we'll probably do first is, we'll go for a drive, see what it sounds like without it. Mine's stock, it is tuned, DPF in, all that sort of stuff. So then we can see what it sounds like with it, and then I'll bring it in, we'll pop it out, and then we'll see what it sounds like after it. So then you get before and after. I'll try and get maybe my GoPro in the engine bay, and I'll try and get it outside the car so you can see what it sounds like. It seems to be the new coolest thing. It's super easy to do, so let's test it out, see what it sounds like. All right, so inside my car, stock, and so let's go for a drive. See what we can hear. I have windows up and windows down, just going around the block. See what we can hear. I might even try and do a microphone under the bonnet, but there's no snorkel or nothing getting induction noise from there. Let's go for a drive, see what we can hear. So now I've mounted my camera on the dash in a holder, and I've got the microphone attached to the camera. So you won't get any wind noise, hopefully. But there's no induction noise there at all. So we'll try and go around this corner here. No induction noise, so I'll have a window up scenario. And we'll go around this corner. Accelerate. No induction noise. So I have Jet hopping in. So hop in, just give it a rev, just sitting there in park or neutral, give it a rev. Go again. So you can hear a little bit of noise, I've got the microphone here, you can do that. So now if you put that in park and drive, pull the handbrake up tight, put on brake, just like you're going to do a skid, but don't do a skid. Do not do a skid in my car. Try and load it up there. Ooh, start to work, go again. Alright. I'll do some mods and we'll get you back. So, I've already undone it, but if you don't know how to undo it, there's just a couple of clamps here and a clamp down there. Just a flat blade or a Phillips head or a 7mm, and you can undo those. And we can pull that pipe up and out of the way. If you want to, we probably can even undo this. Try and do it with one hand. If I can, you can. You can do it! There we go, out of the way. And we can see our little nozzle there we're going to get out. So let's try and do this one-handed, or I might get a camera or someone else to hold it for me, and we're going to get this little inducer little nozzle out of here. We'll pop that out and make some spoolie noises. Alright, so I'm going to try and do this one-handed with this, but screwdriver in, you can pull out. I mean, like push in the corner, like, simple as that, it pops out. And we can pull this out of here. And yeah, little spoutish boy is out. So we'll have a look in there. You can see turbo's all done. Nothing else has changed. We just took this intake pipe out, and then we'll put it back on and see what it does. All right, we've got the Jetasaurus back. He's going to go and start the car up for me, and we'll see if we can hear a difference on just in start up. I haven't heard this myself before yet, so we'll see what it sounds like. Start him up. Well, we'll find out. It could be a waste of time. Sounds the same. All right, give it a free rev. No skids yet. Just give it a free rev. Go again. Go again. Maybe a little bit louder. Spool it up and we'll see. go for drive, I think. We'll go for drive. I've got my camera mount on the dash again, windows open, and let's accelerate here. You can hear a little bit of a whistle. Nothing changed much really. Yeah, don't know. We'll have to go and see if it changes the flutter. I don't think it does much at all, to be honest. So you have it. No more induction noise. We do have more of a flutter, but ignore the damage here. It's car park stuff. But standard airbox, standard everything on this car is DPF still in. It is tuned, but it doesn't make much of a noise difference other than there is a flutter. But I haven't got a snorkel to make it go. So you have a snorkel, it will amplify it a lot. I can probably put a video in of someone else's on there in a second so you can hear what it sounds like. I have got another D-Max out there, but it's got a stupid metal pipe on it. It might be a bit hard to get out, but I might give it a go, see how we go. So we have Jackson's car here. I thought he may have not done it yet, but he has done it. Pulled it off, and he has already pulled out the silencer. So it has a catch camera, he's all there, so we might need to delete that jacket because it's useless anyway. And yeah, we'll do a flutter noise so you can see what it sounds like, but he has already got the silencer removed, so I'll put it back together and I'll show you the flutter. So Jackson has a schnork, so we'll start this up. And it has been run before, it's up to temp already, and I'm going to see in a second here, just so you don't get at me for revving it when it's cold, but it is up to temp. So there you have it, turbo silencer mod, just a flat blade, all you need, and pop it out in about 2 seconds. So stock car makes no difference, but if you have an airbox and snorkel or just a stock airbox, the snorkel is the main thing because you'll get that reverberation noise through that. But outside of that, it's probably pointless on something like this. You won't hear it. You can hear a bit of a flutter. I might get Jet again. Can I borrow you again, Jet, so we can have a listen to this flutter, flutter, flutter? This one? Yeah. Just spool it up a little bit, handbrake on, all sorts of stuff. So Jet's just hopped in this one again, just so you can hear it. Spool her up. Do a skid, spool it up. Not do a skid, like a skid. Go. So you can hear it there, it is fluttering away a lot louder. Go again. Yeah, I just, righto. But if we had a snorkel coming up here, it'd amplify it straight into this guy's head. Douche. So yeah, turbo silencer mod. You can just easily pop it in, pop it out. Yeah, like I said, for a stock airbox, I probably wouldn't bother. But if you have a snorkel and airbox or just a snorkel, you're going to hear that flutter come through if that's the noise you're looking for. But there's a first little mod on the D-Max. We've only tuned it, that's it, it's completely stock. I have got airbags for it, I have got big plan things for it. I've done a couple of 300 horsepower kits already on other people's cars, so now I need to do my car. So hopefully we'll get that punched through shortly. But yeah, we're going to do some big upgrades on this. We're just going to do it slowly as we go so you can see the steps if we do this, that as we go, not just one big package. All right, that's it for this one. Quick and easy one. Turbo silencer mod on a D-Max 4JJ3 will be the same on the MUX, will be the same on the BT50. If you want that fluttery boy girl thing, by all means, just pop that little silencer out. Super easy to do, and you'll have a bit of a flutter noise there. But that's it for this one. Hit that like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.